Welcome to our Lattice How-To Guide. In this video demonstration, we will walk you through the steps to connect your structured data source to Lattice. Start on Data Sources and click on Connect Source. On Connect New Data Source, select a source under Structured Data. Next, in Configure Connection, firstly enter your data source name. Move across and enter the catalog name. Then moving down, you are required to enter a description of the data source. Then next you can add tags, which will aid in search later on. Then enter the data source host details. You will notice the port details are pre-filled. Enter the database name. The schema details are pre-filled. Next, enter the database username. Enter your password. Then select Test, and Lattice will test your connection for validity. Then the final step in Configure Connection is to select the Connect Source button, and Lattice will perform the connection. While this command is being performed, you'll be given live updates throughout, so you are aware what stage in the process Lattice is up to. It can take a short wait for the connection to take place, based on the size of the data contained within the data source. When finished, you are prompted to select OK. You will receive a notification the process has completed. Then Lattice will automatically navigate back to the data sources, and you will see your data source connection. You can select View to review the metadata harvested. Your data source connection is now complete.